Hello, my esteemed viewers, and welcome back to Learn with Wanja. And we are going to be talking about review sites today. Sites where you can go and review about a certain platform. You are an online worker who have just been given, you've been given a list of platforms that you can work with, and now you want to explore any of the platforms. Before you start exploring them, kindly do some due diligence, go and check reviews of those sites. So I want to talk about the top review sites we have in the world. And we have Trustpilot, we have Quora, we have SiteJabber, we have Capterra, we have G2, Yelp, and Reddit. So for Trustpilot, it offers reviews about websites, businesses, and platforms, allowing users to share their experiences and rate them. The same with SiteJabber, the same. We have Capterra. It specializes in software reviews, offering insights and user feedback on various software solutions across different categories and industries. We have G2, that was known as Crowd. It's another platform for software reviews. Yelp, it is primarily known for restaurant and business reviews. Reddit and Quora, they have numerous communities where users discuss and review different websites, platforms, and services. So before you try out an online work platform, before you try out a payment method, before you click on that link that a potential client has shared with you, check out if their company is legit or not. Now, by exploring the platforms just shared previously, you can gain valuable insights into the reputation and quality of various websites before you make important decisions or before you invest in them. Yeah, there is no need of having an online work platform that will not benefit you, or having yourself joining a scam site, or you having a payment method that is full of issues such that the money is there but you can't withdraw it. So before making decisions, make sure you check on reviews from previous users of the same platforms. So thank you. That is all about the theory part. I want us now to dive into practical, and we'll just check 2 sites, and the rest of the sites you can check them later. So like, share, and subscribe even as we move into the practical bit and see how you can get reviews of a certain site or platform from those review sites. So in this practical, I want us to look at Trustpilot and SiteJabber. They are the first 2 from our list. And I want us to see how we can review a certain site. So for example, if I just want to review PayPal randomly, I want to create a PayPal account and I want to know what do other people say about PayPal. So I can click on any of the links here. Okay, and you can see that from Trustpilot, I have 1.3 stars. We have 1.3 stars for PayPal, and you can see it's a verified company. When you look at the reviews, what are people saying about that platform? You can see what people are saying about it. Their personal experiences with the platform, the personal experiences, you can see all that. So take your time, go through the reviews. There are so many thousands of reviews which are as recent as a day ago. You can find reviews that are 2 hours ago, 1 hour ago. Yes, depending on how often people are rating the platform. You can see 20 hours ago. These are very fresh reviews. So this is for PayPal. Let us go and check from SiteJabber. Let's check PayPal. And let us see what people are saying. So around here we have 1.91 stars. And you can see what people are saying. How would they rate PayPal? And we have 2,746 that you can go through and get to make a decision. Do you work with PayPal or not? So that is just an example. Assuming I want to check for another company, like let's say Upwork, all these companies have been rated. So I can pick any. You can compare different reviews. So see what people are saying. We have 1.7 stars. Look at what people are saying. Look at what people are saying. We have some people who have very good experiences, others very bad experiences, which is very normal. But you as an individual, you should ask yourself, why does this site has more good experiences than the other one? If I come and do the same here and search for, let's search for, Upwork here. So these are just random sites. You can see this one has 3.18 stars from this platform. So that's why you should not base your research on just one platform. This one has 3.18 stars. And when you look at what people have said, we have 2,761. You can see this one has given it 5 stars. Others have not given it good ratings. Yeah. So you can check other people's experiences. Let us look at one more, assuming we want to check for something like time bucks. So there is nothing wrong with checking with these sites, because you need to get full knowledge and information before you immerse yourself into them. So look at time bucks. So looks so good. 4.5. Wow. You can see. That is from Trustpilot. Let's go to Saijaba and see what they say about time bucks. Okay, so we have 3.07 stars, still good. And we have around 63 reviews on this site. So these are users who have already used the platform. What are they saying about it? Okay. So you can read about time bucks from here, see what people are saying. So you're not limited to only the sites we have put here. You can search even for a company in your country to see whether it has been rated. Remember, it's not a must that the company has been rated on this platform, but most of the international companies, the famous companies that we know, have been rated by previous users, either on Trustpilot, Saijaba, or the other rating sites that we have seen previously at the beginning of this video. This does not mean that you cannot work with a platform if you find that it has bad reviews. What you do, if you find people are talking, a site is verified, but there are some people who have had bad experiences from the site, learn from their bad experiences. Get to know, what did this person do such that they felt this about the platform? So when you learn about maybe what happened to them, you will be careful so that it doesn't happen to you. Remember, in my previous videos, I've talked about being scammed in online work platforms, and you're not only scammed in legit, the illegit platforms, you're scammed also in legit platforms. You can find a scammer in a very good platform where other people are making good money and the platform is very legit. You can still find a scammer there. So it is your due diligence to know. As much as I have come to Trustpilot, I have come to any other site, Quora or any other, look for reviews. I have learned about that platform. Is it worth me investing in it? If your answer is yes, once you have invested in the platform, now ask yourself, how can I avoid being scammed? Yeah, because scammers are all over. So if you see somebody, the deal they are giving you has so many red flags, then you know, as much as this site is okay, I'll not work with that client because they don't look legit. So that brings us to the end of this video. As I have always emphasized, do not be in haste to start working. Make sure that you do your good investigation, know the pros and cons of every platform, because each platform has its pros and cons. Understand about them, know how to identify scammers, know how to make sure you're not blocked from a site, especially if it's a payment website. Make sure that you don't violate their policy, because most of the times we get blocked from accounts because of violating the policies. Make sure you read the policies and understand them before you go on working with the platform. So that is the end of this video. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. And until next time, bye bye, and stay locked to Learn with Wanja.